Hello everyone. Welcome to Pro Trade Journal. This is how to use video. This is the login page. Click on the login button and enter your email ID and password if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, you can create one. You can either use Google Login or enter your email ID and password. This is the front page, the landing page of Pro Trade Journal, called the dashboard. Let's start by uploading a file. To upload a file from your broker, click on the Upload button on the navigation bar, select your broker, and browse the file. This is the tradebook file that you need to upload. I am going to upload the current financial year's tradebook for Zerodha and click on the Upload button. Keep this window open until your file is imported. It shows that 106 trades have been imported, of which 4 are open. The All Trades page shows all the trades you have taken in the current financial year. You can filter by financial year, wins, losses, or all trades. Go to the Open Trades page to manage your open positions. Here you can enter the stop loss for your positions. Based on the stop loss, it calculates the arm multiple and risk. If you enter stop losses for all positions, it shows the total open risk at portfolio level. You can also click on Calculate Positions. It will calculate the position size that you want to take. Since there are many columns, you can sort them by risk, performance, or position size. On the All Trades page, your executions are grouped into positions. For example, this stock has 2 executions, 1 buy and 1 sell. The system maps them together to form one position and calculates the profit or loss. The drill down button shows all the executions taken for that particular stock. You can also add notes, which are associated with that particular position. There's another trade type called missed trades, where you can add a trade that you should have taken or wanted to take but did not. You can log all those trades here. The calendar view shows the trades taken on a particular day or month and the profit or loss. The summary page shows key performance indicators such as portfolio return per month, total trades, winners, losers, win rate, and other metrics. You can filter this page by financial year and compare performance across different periods. The equity curve page lets you add your initial capital. You can record deposits and withdrawals, and the capital is reflected on the Open Trades page. If you are using MTF, you can go beyond 100% as well. The equity curve also shows a graph of how your account is moving, including realized profit and loss. The review page shows all your close positions. You can filter them by month or date and review the trades taken. It also shows entry and exit positions on the chart. You can select the setup you traded, mistakes you made, and why you exited the trade. You can print your reviews and generate a PDF document for offline review. The next section is analysis. Here you can perform MFE and MA analysis on your trades. There's also a review with AI feature where you can ask questions about your trading data. It answers based on your own trading data. Data Insights provides analytics such as what time of day you trade most, when you make the most profit, which days of the week perform best, and situational awareness based on Market Monitor ratios. The Market Monitor shows how many stocks are up 4% and down 4% on a particular day, which you can use for situational awareness. The Taxes and Charges page shows the taxes and charges applied to your positions, grouped by symbol and calculated automatically. If you use MTF, you can select the stock and apply the MTF interest charged by your broker. The configuration page lets you add strategies, mistakes, and exit reasons. Some values are pre-filled, but you can add your own. Under API connection, you can connect your Zerodha account by creating an API key and API secret. Click the link to go to the Zerodha developer account, create the API key and secret, enter them here, and click Save. Once you click Save, the data is encrypted and saved. Then click Connect. It will ask for your Zerodha ID, password, and OTP and then connect your account. Once connected, you can sync today's trades by clicking the Sync button. It imports only today's trades and does not bring historical data. These are the main functionalities of Pro Trade Journal. The dashboard has both minimalist and advanced views. The advanced view shows multiple ratios, KPIs, and a P&L summary graph. If you need support, you can click on the chat window and reach out to us. The Import Issues page lets you see why a file upload failed. For example, if you upload the same file twice, duplicate records will be rejected and shown here. You can also access the billing and referral pages and create a support ticket. If a family member also uses Pro Trade Journal, you can invite them by email and, once they approve, view the family portfolio. So this is how to use Pro Trade Journal. Thank you very much.